What is going on, everybody? I am excited today. We are going to look at the Lautie Marshal bolt action pen. I missed the first drop of these and really hated myself for missing it because this is, I think, going to be a really cool pen. I love these bolt action pens that take a unique spin with design and form, and this pen definitely looks like it does it. So I'm excited to take a look at it and see what it brings to the table compared to I have a ton of pens from all different spectrums of bolt action and different mechanisms. So I'm just really excited to take a look at this. So let's get to it. All right, here's your packaging. All your information. Very cool. Let's open this bad boy up. Now, this production run was a limited production run originally. It was a numbered production run. I got this from Urban EDC, so I know it is a official product because they do get products straight from Lautie. And so this was probably another batch that was made specifically probably for Urban EDC. This is another one of those slide-in boxes that's going to really get to me and not want to slide out. Okay, you know what? I got zero patience today, so we're not going to worry about the packaging anyhow. So there we go. How is this thing? Oh, okay. Got stickers. Get over there. That's where the stickers came from. Here's the pen. Very cool. Get rid of that. Oh yeah. Now the pictures don't do this pen any justice. It looked really super crazy big in the pictures. And yeah, it's totally different. Let's get all that out of the way. Get that out of here. Okay. It gets a little thick on this end, I will say that. That's a heck of a that's a heck of a bolt. There's like a lot of spin there, going from like one side all the way to the other. Very interesting. I guess that doesn't come apart like it looks like it does. Obviously the tool is, this tool here is obviously to unscrew it so that you can change the insert, which I do believe is a gel insert. I can definitely say that this would be probably a little slippery in the hand. There's no real traction except for where it says EDC house. So it's got a unique taper to it. Let's compare it to some other pens. Here's a fell halter. Big Idea design, almost the same size as the standard Big Idea design pen. And let's see here, tactile turn. And let's see what else here. Yeah. Nottingham Tactical, not a bolt. So just to give you a rough idea of what you're looking at as far as size. So the real thick end, you can definitely see she's got some thickness to her compared to your standard half-inch pen. Okay, let's just kind of see what she's so thick she won't even fit in here. So she's probably about 15 millimeters is what I would say, but she won't even fit in there. So yeah, it's got certainly got some thickness to it, but I do like the unique design. So let's bring in some other pens that have unique bolt actions. bolt action pen there. And there's the bolt action, top bolt action pen from what else? I seem to be, all my pens are scattered all over the place, but anyhow, it happens when you have so many pens. But very cool. Yeah, it's cool. I'm glad I was able to get it. That's a heck of a bolt action. But it does snap right back too. It's just a little bit, you have to hold it in a strange kind of way to flip it all the way. But pretty cool. Very different. A very different design. So just titanium's a bit smooth. So as far as a real working pen all day, I mean, you know, with a in camera, you know, you kind of got that triangle thing going on, and for some people that might really bug them, but this feels pretty good in the hand. Yeah, I'm glad I got it. I'm glad that I've been able to experience it. It's definitely very different, and I do like the fact that there's some companies out there that aren't afraid to really venture out. That's kind of part of my channel with Tonto blades. It's just Tonto blades just always kind of the last thing that any company ever wants to make, which makes no sense to me because the blade design has been around forever. And when a company does do it, they dance around it and do a very mellow Tonto blade because they're too scared to actually just go out and do it aggressively like cold steel. But anyway, yeah, I like it when companies do and aren't afraid to venture out into the unknown. The only thing that I could say is some machining down here to give you some better traction. And yeah, other than that, yeah, we'll have to see how that tip is. There's a slight bit of movement. Sometimes it's really hard to tell without really writing with it many times and seeing how it works. Sometimes you gotta have a little bit of movement, but there's a fine line from the movement that it takes to get in and out and the movement where it just becomes annoying. It's an interesting hollow design. Guess it'd make it good to get a little oil in there. So yeah, very interesting. Very cool. Yeah, it's expensive, and you really can't get them now unless they do another run. But so it's $180. It's a lot of money for a pen, I know, but I sure have spent a lot more. So as far as bringing this into the collection, I didn't really mind spending the money. Others may very much have an issue. So there you guys go. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll catch you next time. Have a great day.